And as I come and go the rest of the morning, just keep your seats and come forward. See. Thank you. Good to see you. All right, I do have one virtual person. Looks like it's public defenders. It's bottom of page 2. Samantha Elrod just showed up virtually. Miss Elrod, you there? Can you unmute yourself?
I'm here.
I just need a good phone number for you, please.
870-512-8765.
You gave me 870-512-8765.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, perfect. I'm going to meet you. I just want to make certain we had good numbers for you, and I believe you're represented by the Public Defender's Office.
I
That's
am.
correct, Your Honor. I think we might be able to resolve this case, but I'll talk to you.
That sounds great. All right, thank you, Ms. Elrod. You sit tight.
All right.
All right, so she's good to go. All right, so good morning, everyone. This is the Spalding County State Court. My name is Josh Thacker. I'm your judge, and this is the bonded trials counter call. I want to start out by saying that here in the Spalding County State Court, we believe that each of you, as you interact with this court, deserve the respect and the dignity that you would wish for someone you care about. We will extend that to each and every one of you as we interact with you all here today. Hey, please do not talk during court. Our goal is to move your case forward efficiently, return you back to your lives promptly, and I cannot do that if you're having sidebar conversations. All right, I've already talked with Ms. Elrod. Ms. Elrod, make certain to grab a pen, a piece of paper, to write down information about your case, and I'll come back to you in just a bit. You're welcome to shut off your camera while you're waiting. All right, cell phones. Everybody grab your phone out of whatever pocket, purse, or pouch you have stashed it in. Push that power button for 2.5 seconds and shut that phone off. So go ahead and do that now. If it rings after this moment, it means you ignored my instructions, and then I've got to deal with it. Please, please, please don't make me deal with it. Okay, this is the correct courtroom for you if you were arrested for a misdemeanor here in Spalding County. You appeared for your arraignment date and requested a jury trial or bench trial. If what I'm saying does not sound correct, talk to the bailiffs. They will point you in the right direction, but it's my understanding Ms. Margaret's checked in everybody who is here. So if you have a question, we did get a response, Ms. Margaret. I'm gonna let you talk to her in the back corner. So ma'am, if you'll come on up and talk to Margaret, and Margaret will make certain that you're where you're supposed to be or get you to where you're supposed to be. Okay. She says you're. What's your name? I mean, you're on the trial calendar. I'm looking at it. So you can grab a seat. Thank you so much. All right. Today is your calendar call. I'm going to go over your rights with you, and I'm going to tell you what your options are. And then you or your attorney is going to tell me what to do with your case. You may have a trial. There are 2 types of trials. There's a jury trial, and that's where 6 jurors issue a verdict on your case from that box over there. And then there's a bench trial, and that's where I issue the verdict with no jury present, of course, with your permission. You may have a conference with the solicitor's office if you wish and if they're available. And of course, you can ask me about an attorney and we can have that discussion. Ms. Karen is here from our Veterans and Mental Health Court over there against the wall by Ms. Margaret. So if you are a member of our military or you have a mental health, you're a military veteran, or you have a mental health diagnosis and you would like your case dismissed, then speak with her at the first break. And she can help you figure out if you are a candidate for our Veterans and Mental Health Court. If you're representing yourself and you do not get a chance to speak with her, then ask for a conference with the solicitor's office. They can also explain the program. If you're here with an attorney, which many of you are, just simply talk to your attorneys. They are very familiar with our program. All right, everyone's charges in this courtroom are misdemeanors. The average misdemeanor has a maximum punishment of 12 months to serve in the Spalding County Jail and or $1,000 fine. Minor traffic charges like seatbelt have a lower maximum fine, and high and aggravated misdemeanors have up to a $5,000 maximum fine. All right, each of you here have the right to a speedy and public jury trial. That's where 6 citizens of Spalding County decide guilt or innocence on each of your charges. You can also choose a bench trial. That's where I decide guilt or innocence without a jury present, and that's done with your permission. You can also waive your right to a trial and close your case with a plea. I have no preference. You must knowingly, voluntarily, and intelligently choose for yourself. All right, each of you here have the right to be presumed innocent. You have the right to force the state to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to cross-examine the state's witnesses, to subpoena your own witnesses and evidence to court. You have the right to testify or not testify, to not incriminate yourself, and if you remain silent, that silence cannot be held against you. You have the right to have an attorney. You may still hire your own attorney if you so choose. However, if you cannot afford an attorney, then you should have applied on your arraignment date or quickly after with the public defender's office like I asked you to. I did warn you at your arraignment date that you needed to take action ASAP to secure the public defender's office, or you very likely waive the right to apply. But if you still want to have that conversation with me, I'm more than happy to have it with you. An attorney would help you understand our criminal justice system, would explain what the charges are and what the defenses are to those charges, file motions on your behalf, engage in plea negotiations, subpoena witnesses and evidence for your defense, conduct a trial on your behalf and make objections, protect your record, appeal any conviction, and otherwise work to protect you. All right. We're halfway through the most boring and informative PowerPoint you've ever sat through, so good job. We're on the tail end. Everybody follow along to the end. First offender and conditional discharge. These each allow you to enter a guilty plea without being convicted. I'm required to explain them to you. You get one of each for your entire life. First offender is for everything but traffic-related charges, and conditional discharges for drug-related charges only. All right, nolo contendere and traffic charges. We call this a nolo plea for short. It's where you enter a guilty plea without admitting guilt. It is available on most basic traffic charges. You are allowed one nolo every 5 years, and that is measured from the incident date to the incident date, the ticket date to the ticket date. Nolo usually prevents points. It usually saves your license. It will not help you much if you're under 21. All right, quick show of hands. Anyone here under 21 years of age? All right, no response from the gallery. All right, if you're here today and you're not a U.S. citizen, you need to know that any conviction will very likely have a negative impact on your immigration status. Several of you are charged with family violence charges. It's in the title of your charge. If that is you and you are charged with and you are convicted of that family violence charge, then you need to know that you will lose any Georgia weapons carry permit. And that federal law says that you may never again possess firearms or ammunition. All right, habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is a weird old law that I'm required to explain to you, and here goes. We call it a habeas for short. It does all kinds of things in all kinds of situations, but for our purposes here today in this courtroom relating to your case, if you are convicted, you may sue Spalding County civilly over in Superior Court to challenge your state court conviction. All traffic charges have a 6-month window. Everything else in this courtroom has a 12-month window to use your habeas rights before they expire. All right, you may conference today with the solicitor's office. If that is what you want to do, then you'll announce conference when your name is called, and you'll remain here in the courtroom until you're called up and given directions. The solicitor's office, again, that's this group up here to your left. They represent the state of Georgia. They are not your attorney. If you reach an agreement, you can resolve your case. If you do not reach an agreement, then you must return to this courtroom for me to personally give you your next set of instructions, which includes signing your verdict form. All right, some of you may receive probation. If that is you, you'll be supervised by the Spalding County Sentence Enforcement Team. 100% of all fines may be worked off with community service work at a rate of $10 per hour. Additionally, there is a one-time $50 intake fee per case, and there's a $60 per month probation supervision fee each month until you complete your probation. Now, this supervision fee is mandatory, but it can certainly be waived after a separate hearing before me. All right, so this is a 2-week trial calendar, and all the trials, jury and bench, are together on this trial calendar. This is week 1, and this is your calendar call. We'll skip a week or 2 in the middle and prepare for trial, and then the jury trials and bench trials begin the Monday of week 2 at 9 a.m. sharp. You'll appear each and every day until your case is resolved. We will use multiple courtrooms, and your case will be called for trial. All right. Do you want to help your friends and family? Because everybody, we are still a small enough community where everybody knows somebody who knows everybody. So here's the deal. If you recognize the name of somebody I'm about to issue a warrant for, then call them, tell them to get down here, and you'll definitely save them a great deal of future trouble. All right, to the lawyers and intrepid defendants, if you have filed any motions such as speedy trial demands or anything else that I need to address prior to the call of your case for trial, you must announce that at the time your case is called, or it is waived. Failure to give me this announcement or a bench warrant on your case will result in waiver of all pretrial matters. All pretrial matters must be heard at the first calendar where they are scheduled, or they are waived. Unless preserved on the record in open court by me. All right, I've given this slide all kinds of titles, but I finally settled in on this is important because that really does help you understand that what I'm about to say is important. Jury trial or bench trial. So if you announce jury trial or bench trial when your name is called, you need to know that what you're telling me is you don't want a conference. You don't want an attorney. You don't want a continuance. You do not want to enter a negotiated plea. You do not have any motions that need to be heard. Because this is your last chance to ask them. This, the whole purpose of calendar calls, to get us into the courtroom and get organized. And I have zero intentions of addressing any of those requests when a jury is standing outside that door ready to come in and start your trial. All right, so we're about to call the calendar. When you hear your name called, stand up if you're able. If you're not able to stand up, that's fine. Wave your hand real high, and that way you can see who is here. Otherwise, if you have an attorney, which most of you do, remain silent and let your attorney announce on your case. If you do not have an attorney, then these instructions are for you. You will announce very loudly whether you want a conference or attorney or bench trial, jury trial, and any motions. And I'm gonna pull that under 21 off because nobody's under 21. Okay, I think we have a bunch of folks in jail, don't we?
Page 1, 3 cases and black.
Okay,
Per page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cases. First.
got it.
What page is it's Lonnie Stenick. 1, 2. Okay.
I see it.
Mr. String was back here.
Yeah, he's out, so he's good.
Next page, out the door.
Got it.
Jonathan Lewis Woods. It's the last page.
There he is.
That's all of them.
Okay. Everybody get that? Okay. All right, Ms. Sexton, anything else before we jump in?
No, I just want to say, for the record, I think most of these jail cases are on our Wednesday calendar.
Yeah, I think Carly went through and added them after talking with Piper's. Everybody's nodding at me, so, okay. Yes,
Did it initially and I just did it at the end.
okay. It's always good to double check.
Those be handled.
Okay. All right, Kat, y'all need anything? Okay. All right, here we go. When you hear your name called, stand up and announce, or let your attorney announce for you. All right, Samantha Black is in jail. We'll see her Wednesday morning at 9 a.m. Randolph Coggins. Okay, thank you so much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put accountability court question mark. Once you've met with Ms. Karen, if that doesn't work, we'll let you have a conference with the solicitor's office. He asked for an accountability court conference.
Oh, okay.
Is that correct, Mr. Coggins?
I'm
Okay.
not sure. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, we're good.
again, if we'll just let Karen do her thing, and if she says no, then we'll pass them off to you and let you have a not accountability court conference. So, yeah. Either way, we'll just check the boxes. Kiko Cummings. Conference, thank,
Conference, Your Honor.
okay. Oh, he's y'all's, thank you.
Yes.
Carice Davis, Mr. Rowe, Davis? No? Okay, you have a pending motion to withdraw. My plan was to say to Carice Davis, do you have any objection? Are you okay with that? So the answer is, they're not here. So does the state have a motion? Okay, so we're gonna grant. Yeah, that's part of your problem. All right, so I think you sent me a proposed order.
I did.
Okay, so I'm gonna grant your motion to withdraw. They can always retain you again if they want to work that out, and I'm gonna issue a bench warrant on the case. You're good to go. It's great to see you.
Good to see you.
Angel, will you help me remember that we need to do that order? Okay. Terry Driver? That's fine. I don't have Mr. Bush here. That's granted, but he'll show up. We'll sort it out. It'll be fine. Okay, on Miss Elrod,
She's virtual, Your Honor, and conference.
okay. Let me just cut her loose. Miss Elrod, I've sent you an unmute request if you'll approve that, please.
I'm unmuted.
All right, Miss Elrod, your attorney has announced conference on your behalf, and we have your phone number that we confirmed. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't need you to sit in the virtual system any longer. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm not releasing you. You can remove yourself from the virtual system, and then you just need to wait for your attorneys to call you and have discuss your case with you.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you so much. So you're released from the system, but not released from court. All right, we're good to go. Timothy Farrell.
Conference?
All right, perfect, thank you. All right, Gibson with a bunch of cases. He has all of most of page 3, all of page 4, and one on page 5. We'll see him Wednesday morning. All right, Jason House. So that's all right. For those of you with Public Defender's Office, I'm just looking to see if you're here or not. All right, conference it is, thank you.
Make a notation, a housekeeping notation, there's a second case for Jason House.
All right, I'm right.
Oh, there's several.
Okay. Is it more than 25 SR 0586 and 24 SR 1001?
There's 26 SR 0808.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. House, wave your hand at me. Yeah, you'll stand up when I'm talking to you. Mr. House, there's a third case. So when you speak with your attorneys, I'm just making certain you know that you'll be discussing 3 cases. I'm adding that case to this calendar, but that's just for organizational purposes. So, hey, Clint, will you help Harry? Thank you, Margaret. We got y'all. And we have plenty of coffee. Thanks, y'all. All right, on to page 6, Brent Hunley, that's y'all's.
Conference, Your Honor.
All right, you're good. He's here. All right, Tanisha Johnson, I think that was you in the back. Ms. Johnson, what is your announcement? Attorney, all right, thank you so much. Grab a seat. We'll talk in a minute. Sherry Joyner?
Can I just?
Yeah.
Housekeeping, Tanisha Johnson has another case.
I'm ready. That is good information.
26 SR 0909.
Got it. All right, perfect. All right, so Ms. Johnson, you actually have 2 cases. We'll talk in just a minute. So you're good. Ms. Joyner is here. Conference.
That's gonna be a consent continuance, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So Ms. Joyner, as soon as your attorneys talk to you, they'll have you sign your paperwork and then they'll tell you when you're free to go. All right. So if you'll just sit tight until they talk to you. Okay. Oriana Jones. Attorney. All right. Thank you so much. We'll have that discussion. All right, Mr. Brill, over to you. Stephanie Matthews.
Yes, Your Honor, Ms. Matthews is here, she's President Court, Your Honor. I had a brief conversation with the state this morning. I think we're gonna need to continue this first. Housekeeping for me, Your Honor, I'm starting the murder trial on the 17th, especially set first out in Clayton County. Unless the state just lets my guy go, we're definitely going.
Okay.
I'm gonna be in jail because we continued over my objection on the court.
Yeah, so,
So I don't believe we'd be reached. Second thing, this may be a DUI court case. And third, we need to do that portion. And third, I need to speak with the state about the actual stop video. I have the investigation, the HG and all that stuff, and that's why I haven't particularized motion. I thought I'd filed a particularized motion, but it's really a part of the stop, and I need some dash cam. Just
All right.
talk to the state about that. So I think a continuance would be better for all parties involved. And it's the first time it's been on the calendar.
okay, so, the defense is asked to hold the motions open for one more calendar. I'm going to do that. So if you'll just make a notation on the reset that motion's preserved, anywhere on there. It's a potential accountability court case, which sounds fantastic. There's a little bit more discovery outstanding, and the reset sounds great. So does anybody else need anything else from me on that? That's your only case?
I think so, yes.
Okay. Carly's got your reset notice. If you'll sign it, get your client to sign it. As soon as y'all do that, you're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Great to see you. Okay. And the bailiffs can give you a clipboard to use to fill it out. Last name Montgomery? Tell me how to say your first name. Say it again? Drumnique? Names are important. Drumnique. Conference, thank you. All right. Oh, okay, there we go. So, all right, and what's the two cases or more than?
Your Honor, if I may, as part of the plea agreement, the brake light is getting dismissed and we're resolving the speeding instead today.
Okay, so I have 24 SR 1036 and 25 TK. That's what I'm hunting. 26 TK 1751. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay, thank you. All right, Michael Parks. All right, he's here.
Conference, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Kel Ponder.
Mr. Ponder has two cases on the calendar. I represent him on 24 SR 444. The other case, we do not. However, I believe we could have a pre-trial conference with Your Honor, the state.
Okay. All right, so let's, three of us talk back in, conference room in a bit. Ponder, you can grab a seat. All right, Cassidy Price. Mr. Tucker, I haven't seen him this morning, but okay. Ms. Price, please step out into the hallway and call your attorney's office, and just see if he's got an estimated time of arrival. He wasn't gonna make it at all? Okay, all right, then sit tight. I need a little bit more information on that, but I'll get it and then I'll give you instructions.
And Your Honor, housekeeping,
Yes,
there's another case for Ms. Price,
okay, I'm ready.
SR 1674.
And does Mr. Tucker represent you on that second case, ma'am? Okay, well then let's go ahead and do that. That gives me enough. So if you'll put both, we'll reset both cases so that they're both on the calendar together for whatever date you want to choose, Carly. All right, so ma'am, in just a minute, the bailiffs are gonna have a clipboard and some paperwork for you to fill out, and then they'll give you your last set of instructions. All right, Sebastian Reeves. Sebastian Reeves, last chance. Okay,
Bench warrant, Your Honor.
granted. I remember an email from Tom Barton, but that's all I remember. Arlene Revley, I believe reset. I already did that? Okay. All right, so that case has already been reset. All right, Mr. Carvajal, Darian Sargent.
Judge, Mr. Sargent is here. We're going to announce ready for jury trial.
Okay.
With an asterisk, that week, I do have 2 other superior courts that are in trial week. So I'm gonna try and get Mr. Singleton here, but we may have a conflict there somewhere.
Okay.
Um,
I've already got 2 speedy trials ahead of you. So, I don't think we're gonna get to you that week. Let's go ahead and get him to a date more certain. Because this is the one I've already heard motions on, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, so, all right, I'm gonna move it. So just make a note that this is a court reset, not a state or defense. So, because again, I got 2 speedies ahead of you. And I don't know what else, so, okay.
Excuse me, once I get it.
Yeah, once you've gotten all the paperwork signed, it's fine. All right, everybody got that? Okay. All right, Daryl Seeley.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Lewis. Do you know if, I may have missed his conflict letter. Do you know where your attorney is?
Yeah, he said I thought big that eight, didn't pull up a lot.
The fact that I don't know, you did turn your phone off. Thank you for that. That's a good moment. All right, so let's do this. You can turn your phone back on, step out into the hallway, just call his office. All I need to know is he thinking he's gonna be able to get here this morning? Or is he?
I think they are in conflict. He said I don't big that eight, said, he's court somewhere else. I said,
Yes.
exactly what phone it is.
Now, that part I'm 2 thumbs up good with. What I want to know is can he resolve that court and get here quickly, or is he going to be gone today? And so that's all. So you can turn your phone back on, call it. And when you get that answer, just tell the bailiffs, is he going to be able to make it this morning or not? There's no pressure. It just tells me what decision I need to make. So yeah, don't tell him I'm hunting him, because I'm not hunting him. I just need to know. Okay. Juliana Smith Williams is already reset. Armin Stennett is in jail. Patricia Stinson.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Instead of doing a bench warrant, our victim advocate states that can we continue it? The defendant is in rehab. She was hit by a bus in May.
Ooh,
So
not good.
the healthcare provider is sending over a letter.
okay. So Carly, push this way out then. So.
I don't want to be using our continuance. I just don't want a bench warrant.
No, it's not yours. We'll call it a court reset. It's a medical.
Okay.
All right, over to you, Mr. White, Stringer. And I see the bond worked, so he's out, so we're good. All right, so y'all are my first speedy trial demand. All right, I would like you to have a conference with the state today just to make certain that all the boxes are checked. So as soon as you've had that conference, then you all, and again, the conference is not about plea negotiations, but more specifically about just, are we ready? I don't want to get next Monday and find out that there's something that's missing. So you all sit tight. You talk with the state as soon as y'all are in agreement that everything's lined up. At that point, I'm sorry, I forgot the trial date.
August 17th.
August 17th. Okay, then once y'all had a conference, then y'all will be back here on August 17th at 9 a.m. All right, thank you so much. Antonio Stuckman.
Conference, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Mr. Stuckman. Thank you, Ms. Thompson. Okay, Ian Thorpe is in jail with page 12, half of page 13. So we'll see him Wednesday. That which brings me to Damian Underwood. What's your announcement? conference? Thank you. All right, you can grab a seat. Thank you so much. Okay, LaTrent Watson? Watson? No?
Warrant, Your Honor.
Granted. LaTrent Watson? Okay, that's an easy fix, so we'll give the bailiffs to check back in. So, all right, Jonathan Willis Woods, oh, jail case. And, yeah, I see it there, so. Yeah.
You need me to pull it up,
No, so you can reset. So this was back to what day? Yeah, Mr. Seeley, the bailiffs are gonna have some paperwork for you to sign, and once you sign it, you'll be free to go. It'll give you your next date. Your attorney's not gonna be able to make it. All right, everybody can mark on page 10 at the top, Seeley has reset. His attorney has a conflict and will not make it. And I don't see any reason to bring him back on the 17th, so I'm just gonna cut him loose. So we'll circle back. All right, so that brings us back. We finished page 13, on to page 14. I issued a warrant on Watson. Willis Woods is incompetent. Mr. Kendall had a conflict. He said he'd be here about 10, and said that he was going to be asking for a reset on Wolford and that he would sign it as soon as he got here. So if you'll have that ready for Mr. Kendall when he gets here. All right, and then back to you, Mr. Carmel, Gregory Worthy.
Yes, Judge, I've spoken with the state, they could, consent to continuance on that one so that I can get, video and talk to my
That sounds great. All right,
my business. Excuse me.
that's what I show as well, and I also make sure you're good, so. All right, is there anybody out in the gallery whose name was not called? Anyone out in the gallery whose name was not called? All right, so we've addressed everybody. All right, so what we're gonna do next is conferences. The way that works with you all is, I'm not gonna set a time to come back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna step off the bench until they come get me and tell me that there's a critical mass of things that are ready to be addressed. Now, during the break, couple of things. Number one, if you want to turn your phone back on, you can, but your phone must be on silent, not quiet, not just really, really low, but silent. Nobody wants to watch you watching YouTube videos, okay? Secondly, the attorneys are going to be meeting with the solicitor's office, and then we'll be having conferences. I'll be meeting with the attorneys back in chambers as needed. With that said, it happens every time we do this that somebody disappears and then I have to issue a warrant for them and then they have to go to jail. Don't disappear and make me issue a warrant for you and go to jail. That is a really terrible way to go to jail. And completely unnecessary. Do not go anywhere unless you know for a fact you're supposed to go. And how do you know that you're safe to go? You'll have a piece of paper in your hand when you leave the building. So no matter what you do in this building, in this court, you'll have a piece of paper in your hand when it's time to go. So if you walk out that front door and you don't have a piece of paper in your hand, you're the one going to jail. And just so you know, you can leave here with confidence that that is fact. All right, with that said, Mr. Sellers and Ms. Sexton, if y'all will head back to the conference room, we'll talk about that one. I'm gonna throw away my Derek Law note because he's here. Y'all need anything else? Everybody good? Okay, all right, let's do it. All right, we're in recess. Pat, was that your coffee?
Well, that was. Yeah, I don't know why. Hold on a second.
Yes.
Excuse me?
No, I am.
Oh, gosh. Okay, all right. Ryan Keller. Ryan Keller. You know, Ryan Keller. You know the next one.
He may went to it.
Oh, he did, he's small, he got sales.
Right.
So,
Hey. It ain't right here. I thought it just walked in. I thought it walked in.
Okay, so, okay. Let me get the next one, let me see what's.
Hi, did you?
What, yeah.
Those are good seats. Yes. I went crazy. Yeah, I didn't check. I got was that?
People comments?
It's yours.
There you go. Nice.
Yeah.
Get hard.
Get out of here. That's.
January, remember, I get that.
I mean, that's a smooth move though. Yeah, get some.
Yes, yeah, sure, and he gets.
Yes, well, he already got this, man, because he's sitting across the list.
I know.
State course. With him up there, hopefully. Yes.
Move things along.
Yeah.
I'll send it to you.
Yeah.
I didn't get it.
So is he here today, Clint? Is he here today?
Patrick got to do, I just, I met him when I was saying, so. Let's see, you first swipe them. Hey, just one. Hey, my president. Welcome, welcome. Oh, boy. It really should. Should say low pay, high frustration. Got the deliveries that have us. It says your email. They would be this stress over the job. They don't look around. Yeah. Every now. Go either be a smell, sound. Is it? Rush out. It's throwing paper. Skies. Oh, you're like. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, okay. That egg, so. He did brown too. Did brown. Brown. Like a brown. Babe.
Well,
Yeah. And go find. Example. It's going. Yes. I guess she does.
she does.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
It was a five movements. Yes.
That's what she said.
Boy, I stayed in the sun on my other guy. Well, that makes. Yeah. Yeah. This year, because I had one. He's not. I had to. Yep. Yeah. So. Had a friend from the man that doesn't mistake with me. That's not a cat. City of Griffin.
sure she's well aware of it. And it's not meant to. It's all- That's so. She takes. It was drink. Physical down the side. And I got it. The rope. Please off. Did he make?
It is.
Well, if you're looking inside, maybe. You know that. And the other thing is that.
Was it
Where's it at on Square?
Well, not on the square, in the closet.
It was good. Because we used to be out and about, you know, we was doing things, we used to be cooped up.
Yesterday was.
When they made me, it was like. Sad, absolutely. But it's a running, yes, their five correction. I hated it. And I was in my radio. They have a place where every time I heard a go out, and I took my car down, whenever I was big. I would say.
I was really surprised. I mean, it was like restaurant ball.
I've never had it, but.
Really? You know, I know you had your. Oh, yeah.
I don't know where this was going.
It's just got the thing. Yeah, Wendell. Okay, he must, was it, because Wendell was assistant. Deputy sheriff. And then
Popcorn shrimp, man, popcorn shrimp.
Yeah.
It's the shrimp name.
Yeah, he had some back then.
Loves going to the beach, don't eat it. Do what? I said loves goes to the beach, don't eat it. How many? Yeah.
Everything. Hey. I don't know names, I don't know.
Yeah. All's good, yeah. Yeah. Spurting some Doritos in.
What's I got the rights? Excuse me. Was Jimmy Thomas still sheriff in the nineties? In Pike County?
No.
He wasn't. Who was? You're talking about her dad used to work that.
What was his name?
I got the Jimmy Thomas sheriff forever. Sheriff.
I don't think he was in the night. I don't think he became sheriff until early 2000.
Yeah, okay. I gotta go say see probation is in, so.
All right. Oh, I'll just text him. See.
Text him, Jimmy Thomas.
Probation.
Oh, he's probation.
I'm all on a thread with him.
He's got a fellow. Which one?
That's legit. Yeah, like real young.
Okay.
Probably gonna think.
Hold on, we do talk about. She said no. If we're gonna do a course, and she would have to grant. If it's already been speaking on the course.
I
It's.
like that. She was advice, this and this.
Yeah. What you like next one?
Yeah, that's what I.
Kids in the house? Kids in the house?
I'll give this. Oh, he came up to talk.
He wants to set this down. And it'll be on both of these cases.
Okay.
Although he's representing him on.
They're on the second floor. They are out there? Okay.
Okay, say that's December, so, so I would prefer you
I think he wants to do it, set up on this.
to, but I would prefer it to be after August. Tell me that next week. Because that happens.
You're okay.
That's it.
Have a good day.
You do. Mr. Montgomery?
And we had this person.
Who's, Kinko? He got a game.
Yeah, that's it.
Uh-huh.
That's a lot.
Oh, that's. What was that? All the boys.
I've seen that. Me too.
Seeing them less and less.
Oh my God, shut up. I don't have company.
That's right. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. So. Four.
Oh, you better, Greg.
Yeah. A lot.
The only thing he wants to do.
Yes, sir. Did you go up there?
You need to. It's the house. It's the house.
Plan.
Main company.
They're up there. Can you take them up to probation? Probation? Yes. Oh, they are up there.
Hey, how are you?
Robert's already up there. All right. Yeah, Margaret, well, when? Yes, sir. Yeah. Nice. I hope you feel my mind.
Yeah, I'm like, it's
It was good.
infections. Why she does. Oh, my God, where we get?
Yeah, you sure.
Yeah. I didn't charge for that.
Right. She had the longest name on it.
Everybody.
Oh, yeah, that's it, man. And good.
I don't watch this is. Check where cat and service. Yeah, I don't pay. Yeah, take your time. Talks.
What you tell me about that? Is that what you tell him? Michael Fox.
I can make you call. If you don't mind, please do. Thank you so much. Killing to do that. So, it's, so. Oh, yeah.
That's $38 out there.
These are both defenders. This is Dresden, she's my new staff here.
Oh,
This is Chastity Morris. It's the both defenders office. If you name a both defenders office. This Scott Piper, he's the main deputy star.
When we come back, we can.
Okay, yeah, I love the. What's he doing now?
People that want.
Can't find it.
Area open heart surgery today, back to work tomorrow.
Yeah, we made it.
This guy, this is Dresden day.
Probably that. So they're gonna fit this in there.
Wow.
Oh, really? And this, what they do in this step one. You're making weird, so he's going to do a fucking step one after she.
Yes. Let's see his stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you, man.
And the wall, like.
He was with sellers, but sellers.
He's like, you're a sadomasocchist.
From to us. I know I am. This for good. I state law. In order for you to do that, please, you have to show you have the cancer. So, because if you have a cancer, they don't have to do it.
Right.
Although, being within that, we talk about it, I don't want it. I don't want it. See. After that, I'm looking at it. Okay. Well, I'm not, well, no, I don't want to say, you cannot take this out. It's in there already. So it's a game we play with because you have so many things you have to do. You have to get it there. You have to have it there. I'm sure. You don't have it, the guy that's AOP. You don't have it, you don't have cancer. But if you got to do this, yeah.
You're wasting a heart.
But that's 69 years old. Why do you want to do it? Even if I have the heart, how long I'm going to do it? 3-4 years. Give it to somebody.
You take the right way here.
Yeah, we had the process. It's my son that was here. I didn't even know your son was here. Yeah, yeah, he's a magistrate. He's a federal judge in California.
Yeah, you would have told me, I would have met him.
Yeah, he can, He's leaving Saturday. The other one is the main day is coming Saturday. On his way to Pensacola. Go get that stupid walk going out there. He's trying to steal weapon from one place to another, ship over there. So what? So you can go to Pensacola, so they have some of them ship over there. He said in 4 years. 57.
Yeah, on drone.
On drug, yeah, that cost $10,000.
Now, road, wait.
Profession.
Yeah, are they on the second floor?
No, I got one of these people. Profession.
So who's?
You need to be walked up probation.
You talked, because you're just trying to get additional information out of that.
Mr.
Yeah.
Conley? Yes.
Good.
Yes.
There you go.
Hey, let's talk in
Yeah,
a little more, sir.
It's just,
60.
it's just. Forward to August 26th of June.
Okay.
So you're talking about
You want a official notice? Yeah, or the, a felony, that county will have to.
I like it.
They'll do whatever.
Is it?
I don't think it's.
I don't need it.
Marshall, okay, so.
So.
I go.
Yes, the local.
That's why it's not even out.
I would speak. All right. Since you brought it up. Awesome. My bad. Shit goes wrong on vacation. The aesthetic is wrong on this corner.
And we were doing it. Don't get back with me because it's like she's taking trippers. She felt. I didn't know.
Yeah, this was like. So.
You know, you put some big weight that don't last.
Yeah, it's been a lot. I mean, it probably sucked.
Yeah.
Broke up, but so,
I'll see you then. I'll see you.
Okay. Reset.
Yeah, reset.
I know what that muscle that up. Wait till I get home.
And they gave me. I went. So I was like,
I apologize.
and you know, you tell me that I'm on the board.
What are we doing with parks?
Oh, yes, we reset.
About 12 months for this. Okay. Carly, did you?
Are you
Yeah.
doing your stuff, man?
Did you send it on the way home?
You know what it was? It was her boot up on the console of the vehicle going on.
I said some souvenirs are better than others.
Yeah, she got that one at the dog store. Yeah.
Last week,
Well, he had surgery on Monday, he said, so much pain. Thank goodness. We had surgery in the doctor upstairs. That was okay, but you know, I just 20 years. Looked at that. Cats.
so just initial and then sign it.
The doctor did. But those, so. I'm not gonna read it wrong, but I. It's also all that. Where it is, broken law. That other. Yeah. I had another small one.
I'll be right with you. No, they got me headed that way.
Surprised they don't snake dance here.
Y'all went Heitland in there, they were like, I'm gonna show you how to read today. He's like, no, what do you want? And, but she did my one.
What did it write?
I was like, oh.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it just?
Yeah.
Can we get that back? That's where you. That's a lot of it. That's shit, right?
Oh, yeah. That's why I was back business about, we're all, we're gonna try it. Best thing.
All right, thank you, my dear. Yeah, you're good. Right here.
He's still talking.
Okay. Okay.
You would think so, but.
I thought it'd never be a hurt.
Oh, yeah, I would have been heavily.
It's like, it's small, but it's got my investigative, but it's not like cover all the hurt.
My neighbor was there approach. So, we had, I was supposed, she took her nail. She said, I said, and she fell out of it. And she tried to help her. She said, so she tried to help her. So anyway, instead of skip, she started to go over the road.
And in the paramedics. And you wouldn't think that this lady should see that. But it was. Yeah, that's. Or.
One out for.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that was when I got.
Well, it's small enough, I think, but it's.
Oh, it's everywhere.
But it's.
86.
The break is across here.
Sheriff to go back. Yes.
Starts here.
You're like going more better. That's
Pretty much where your toes connect to your foot. Yes. It's like.
Oh.
It's like a big thing, you call it the red.
Is it a break all the way up?
That's
Is it a break or?
But hold on.
But it was it's minimal enough. She doesn't have to start.
Yeah, you know, it's something.
Major.
He's interviewing his son.
It's funny. That's all. You know, she got her salt. I've even done it myself.
But they find
On steps and then bring it down. She called the hospital. I get up the next morning. The next thing I know, they called me on the phone too.
My son's seen it.
So I go see what's going on. They tell me.
I'm like, what? What are you saying? And then.
She got jumped.
Oh, he was only.
Technology.
Oh.
At the time.
Oh.
That was like. But then.
She later. We laid the up
Right up.
It wasn't done. That's how I'm saying. I got the John from it.
So.
Oh, it's justified.
Must have been the first person.
Well, I don't think she. She accused you of having it.
Did you know?
Well, let me just say that.
Well, I mean, I was gonna say.
So they started.
She had texted me. Which is, that's how much reason.
For me,
In my head, I remember. His first name Mar. Anyway, so I, in my head, I was, you know,
Did you come back like?
it was Sunday, and I'm thinking about that.
it's just. Yes, I better be there.
But I got to short. Yeah.
Very awesome.
She had her mother. And it was.
Just having a stone, right?
But all
Anyway, she was they told me tonight.
and
When I look at it, they see
You're the main person now.
And I never had one. I just said. He said, well,
That's why.
So what's your current? Okay. So you have Yeah, he needs to.
So he can take it back.
So that's what we're going to do. And
So we got there.
Hey, Kramer,
There's a employee in here.
I understand.
No, this is,
Okay, I'm just trying to catch up.
Chico Cumming.
Okay,
Right, yeah.
As a matter of fact,
When it's done.
alright, yes.
Okay, you like next slide right there? You have the next slide,
Do I have what?
next slide.
Yeah.
See y'all.
You're welcome.
I.
That's all I got left. Bring us.
Ask for public. Talk to Josh about it, if Josh allows it, so I think that.
If Josh allows me.
Okay, so.
Whether it's me taking. Help to sort of. But yeah, just come out.
So what's gonna happen is they're gonna issue a reset notice on the bottom of that reset notice. It's their address, phone number, way to contact. And this is how. But this is the way to shut. This way. To ask. I think we got to do that's the door, but now it's court. So you're gonna have to contact them, they are absent of anything. So I'll go ahead. We'll just do this. I'll have a Josh, just keep. For a, So you can call it the TV. To give them enough time on authorities. So I have to figure out. I'll talk. Sure. What's the name? Randall.
Thank you, Carlin.
What's different?
Yeah, right. Make it one of the papers.
Do you like them?
I don't know. And then.
But I don't know. Did that. My first day wearing it. But good doctors do things that way sometimes. My first day, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. So, they are and you. Because that's how I will feel better about this whole situation. You're welcome. How are you feeling, darling? How are you feeling? Because he said you had, what chose you getting today? Ugly there. I'm getting my friend. Still, you need to. Yes. I work. I signed it. We really should put it on that. Oh, really? That's how
I don't think they're working.
There's not any.
I mean, if you we tend to
Give it to them, sorry. Yeah.
well, generally, still, you know, it's not like he's, especially with this one. He gives them trees.
Yes,
We're asking. Really, right? Okay, so pretty maybe, if there isn't a body cam, what kind of cases was it?
This is a DUI where state troopers and Spalding County both respond.
Okay.
So I'm thinking. Didn't have a cam.
Oh, the Spalding, I can
And the
tell.
Spalding County did, but because it wasn't a Spalding County police number.
Troopers don't wear pumps.
Yeah, they have their dash cams.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you, I'm sure call her, call Hannah, or do you want to text her?
I think I have.
She'll tell you what's going on.
Here, I like these are yours.
Thank you.
I don't think I have hands to burn myself. No, I mean, I don't think I have hands to burn myself.
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna give you the whole new list.
Yes.
Let me just.
I guess I
Yeah,
could call your office.
yeah. Dial 770.
Why they do it the way they do it, they know, I don't know, but.
43.
And just ask, because I still have 4310 up here.
Yeah,
for
yeah,
my
yeah.
last year.
Yeah.
Hey, can you hear me? Hey, sorry. I haven't put your Elvis this cat. From shooting some downstairs on his line. Okay, there we go. I just had a quick question.
Coconut.
I
Coconut wallet.
really want, obviously, there is, but he didn't know. Only county assisted. And I'm not sure if it's the sheriff's office. They're all on the sheriff.
Oh, hey.
Taking on board.
Oh, is your responsibility? That's for advertising. That's the. And Chelsea, you said 1:36. Eleven out.
Yeah, like, I'm very too. That'll give us time to get out of here.
Okay. And you are gonna love to, that's very professional, she's very wonderful.
Miss Ali. Section, which one?
All right.
Are these the only?
Yeah.
That'll save you a fire.
Yeah,
Just make sure you sign.
I checked.
I don't have any.
This one in probation. Second.
Sorry.
We used to do it by date, give me a second. I know what it means.
No, apparently you missed it. I have explained it twice.
Oh, like we haven't done that for years.
This one been to probation.
So that's what.
Hey, let's go. Back there.
Wait. I need
Oh,
your
I need
here.
it.
I need your.
Okay.
Read some cows. I need to make sure.
This one.
Oh, Pat, can I borrow you?
Timothy Farrell?
Wait. What do you?
1 second.
Right here.
He's in college.
I'm right here.
Okay.
1 second.
There he is. There's.
I remember we talked, there were two, and we were like, exactly. There we go. So,
Here's.
we usually make. It's gonna be good. Not basic.
Really 5 minutes.
It's not.
Just pick.
Well, which one do you want? So usually, I mean, of course, I would ask for. No, we usually do the older one. So this date, so this would be second to this one, right? I just want to make sure that it's on the same page. Well, I'll put this figure on first. Okay. Right.
Probation.
Yeah. Because the very valid question should be.
Clear enough?
I think so, let's make sure I write the right thing. All right, sorry. Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Oh, wait, I have.
Sit down.
So they?
Let me see your.
Yeah. Okay, no, no, no.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Probably a spark man.
Straight.
No. I'm not. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
I mean, like every time I read it, she don't come.
So she. Put it back.
That's right. The perfect one had been born.
You guys, so. Saying it. You know, how this one. So the judges think.
Maybe you guys did.
All right, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, just send that to us and I'll do it. Okay. All right, bye.
Oriana Jones. So you're here today. She said.
Yeah, I'll just.
Okay,
So you guys.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll tell the schedule appointment with me.
Juliana Smith. Williams. Damien Underwood. Are you the?
Oh, this was.
Have a seat right here.
Those are your options.
Okay, so you have, so you've got two choices. Okay. There it is.
Especially if you don't. Come on, spit that.
First instruction. Here's that.
Okay, so.
I didn't know that.
Okay, so when you say those. That's.
No.
The US.
This is one case.
Oh, okay.
So that's a lot. You asked for.
I wasn't going to those, that's it. I just spoke to the council. Yeah, I didn't go outside. That's US Marshal being, you know.
Yeah. Because. It wasn't not showing up.
That will number is different, and my 540. I never 540, I never 540. I said, brother, maybe. It's not nothing.
You got it? Yep.
Okay.
I'll call you. And we'll know what this is. Yes. That's your good number, right? What's your good number? That was one. You're welcome, honey.
So did they say, put you in jail and give you an offer? And then you decided not to. And did you do it?
Yeah, that was. These guys.
Okay, so I have a question. Generally, and, what's my whole we did this one. Just now.
I don't know about any school that it feels like recently, like, you know, that it would have been. I can't speak for.
So we need to back up.
What is it?
But she's not there.
I'll tell
Yeah. January. Just they just got. Card. Jason House, will you just reset it to December? Because we were unaware of that part. Okay. Okay. And that's it.
She said, house.
It does. We have a ring. I got. I'm just like,
I just said, I got it.
if the judge. And we haven't done our yet, or.
Where do you go?
It's right there. Look over there.
Yes, we always do them with action. So that would now be that one.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Click the button.
I'm gonna just. So let me tell you what's going on. So. Which means. But you won't. So. Okay, so all I can tell you is when the judge say false, so like so that I don't try to. You're gonna have to explain things. How Jago, which form, you're gonna have to. Up to the judge, allow you to do that, okay?
Or,
Because it's a general rule, you don't allow it to go, yeah. The public defender's office, the 2 weeks for trial, it's not fair to them, you know what I mean? So, but you can talk to him, he's a reasonable person, he's a, go talk to the solicitor who you need to work out these for. Yes, she's on that. So I just want to, I would say, like, I can see where they came to you, chambers, and tried to get this done a while back. So I'm just, you're gonna have to try to figure out what happened. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's see. I'm just trying to see what happened. Okay, so, go ahead. What's your bill when you asked you? Okay? Thank you. What's the thing?
No, I'm so bad. Yeah. You know, just kind of.
We just not gave the bucket and you requested it, we didn't get it. I don't think that.
When you were asking about this,
Well, continuance on a red friendly.
What do you?
678-688-8296.
Sir,
he's going to get my staff.
you're coming back, right? Oh, okay. I was like, he's going to take trouble, but he's better come back. Okay. I'm trying to get family pay on top of solicitor pay on top of attorney pay. I'm trying to triple that. I'm just trying to. What is it?
Is anybody else? Ask anybody else in there?
Ask Kat.
I'm ready for the bonus that.
Y'all ready?
I'm gonna turn her home.
You ready?
I might be.
I can't understand.
But he's got a couple others that can take care of.
Oh, okay, yeah. All right, you see, I might, I'm ready.
Did you do that reset for house?
Yes, I did. The simple.
Yeah, right.
He has 3 cases. Feeling better here?
Oh, Lord, somebody else.
I never does.
Harry, what? They give it to the wrong one?
I think that is.
That's. You know, yeah.
Constantly, they give it.
Yeah.
Is that birthday just for you?
No, not what you're trying to go. What?
Was
Generator. What they did.
No, I'm only write it down when you tell me.
Like this.
Okay, well, he's selling house.
I'll call them.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
Uh-huh. So you don't remember, don't be sorry, it's on your lips.
Wear a seatbelt. Oh, yeah, yes. What did you play? If you were playing football.
Go talk to him.
Okay, that's what I said, we're gonna play football, I think we don't have this sport. But it's so nice.
Yeah.
I was up here waiting. Is he actually gonna?
I do feel that, I do feel that. And some people, they do all the work back then, when it's well. So he's been.
Yeah, that's it, right?
But allowing him to move this.
Yeah, they always gonna do something. You're not gonna get out.
So Huntley is in charge.
Yeah, we should not find out my contact. All right.
The Spalding gonna be gentle on her. This is what it did to Charles, my stomach. Oh. When he was born, he had to put the seatbelt buckle on his back. Cause I was in a car accident. Yeah, I remember you talking about. Yeah. You can see that. Yeah, I can see that again.
You know what's crazy? What's crazy is that seatbelt had to go. You have skin and fat, then you have muscle, then you have.
Now say these are called.
Then you have that.
Placenta, yeah.
No, thank you. It covers your organ. It's like a thin layer, anyway, and then. So,
Represent.
and he had fluid in it,
Well,
this is bouncing around, and he got bruised, that's amazing.
This is what the hospital thought. It like it was, so like he was floating around in there and then the impact while he was floating in the sack, mind your own business, slammed his back up against the wall of my stomach and they told me that if I didn't have a cesarean, but if I did have one, well, if they did a C-section, they would have seen bruising on my inside. Even though there wasn't bruising on my outside, they're like, there's one right there, I was like a little, they're like, we bet.
Hey, Elaine, Duncan just called me.
Who called?
Duncan. Like, Duncan.
Okay.
So we have an Edward Peters, is that name?
Not off the top of my head, but I'm very bad with knowing people in Spalding County, but.
So Peters got from the him, said that y'all gave him an offer on all his cases, like 36 months probation, and he didn't accept it. And he's willing to accept it. So do you want me to put him on the calendar?
Yes, just put, because anybody that we can get gone,
Right.
now is he pro se?
He's good, he's pro se, but he's also got some felony stuff that's going along, but he wants to go ahead and take care of his misdemeanor, so he told Duncan that he would be willing, if the offer's still good, he would accept.
I'm good. Bring him down, and can you give me his name so I make sure he's on my calendar?
And also she's trying to get.
Let me go look. Let me see.
There you go.
Yeah, Ronald Edward Peters.
Yeah.
Full name.
Okay, and I'm okay on 36 months. Okay. Put him on the jail calendar. By the way, I work for the jail calendar. How much is on the jail calendar? There's a lot.
Yeah, it's a nice item. I haven't printed it out yet.
Okay, Kat, we did the third one, but we didn't do the jail.
We didn't do the jails.
Oh,
We didn't have the whole calendar ready. Yeah, we didn't have it. So I have a question.
So what do we got? We got one here, he's waiting. And I'm here saying.
I know I get up out. Well, I get up before now.
Correct the texture.
But I don't know what it is.
Oh, yes, it does.
See, I go through the work.
Ask Harry. He's so smart.
I'll kidnap Harry in a second.
I think it's something crazy because I'm like, that should not be, if you're shoplifting, you're shoplifting. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Like, just give me something. But I heard that and I was like, huh? But look it up and
Well, my
see.
thing with him is like, been in like almost a year anyway, you know?
But restitution and stayaways and.
Well, if it's Walmart, you know, you don't have to worry about that too.
Well,
much.
I just had a restitution for $401 because they kept going.
Oh, wow.
I think it's on the jail calendar. I think it's your case.
Oh, it might be him, okay.
Well, I mean.
Look up. Didn't I already give you police sheets on it?
No, because you put him in the jail staff. I don't have the jail.
Okay.
Yeah,
We didn't do jail.
We was talking about, they weren't working.
and just FYI, we don't represent Samantha Black. That's not her.
Okay.
But it's not
She's
showing
the one who got picked up
where I can adjust
on,
it.
at the beginning of the calendar.
Okay. Well, it says right here pro se, so that's.
Yeah, yeah.
Supposedly where I can turn it up and down, but it's not doing anything.
Oh, you wanna see something funny? So my friend brought a daughter over yesterday.
I believe you got him. I got him.
They're besties, and they decided that I was the worst.
How cute.
So I got two of them on my back.
Wednesday morning. Y'all, but.
They got their horse. Yeah, they think they're horsey. Oh, they are.
I got ranch on.
Oh, thank you.
Do they have anybody here sign up for probation?
Oh, grand jury.
I haven't up there.
When, do they have anybody signing up for probation up there? Do they have, people signing up for probation up there?
They, one while ago, so I think.
Alright,
But John's this professor, they got it.
no, he ain't got to, they can have one.
What happened?
Mr. House was reset. It was reset. Yes.
Like the bottom, it's like.
Trouble finding this job.
I hope that other one did not leave. She didn't leave, did she? No.
Oh, good.
It's getting fun. Big trouble.
Oh, that's good.
Someone are getting big trouble.
On the eyeliner.
But you represent.
Eyeshadow.
Like you get like a blended upright or something, you don't know.
If you're representing, it's a fellow. You don't get the same. If you're not representing, it's a misdemeanor. If you're representing by counsel, it's a felony.
Somebody that I worked out with, that I talked to her about, I think it's Gibson. Yeah,
If it is your fourth felony and it's represented by counsel on any of the previous felonies, it's going to go.
okay,
Regardless of the amount.
okay.
Unfortunately, those shall not steal.
Here, I mean. So,
Thank you. Are you paying her enough, Harry, to keep you straight? I just want to know. You're paying her enough?
No, she's not. I'm not gonna lie. She's not getting more than it's been up for. Yeah. I'll be the first one to tell you this.
And they're not paying you enough? Nobody's getting paid enough.
No, me, since I'm going down this way, I can keep it like wherever it is.
You have to train Harry just.
easy.
See, easy.
No, but I told you.
Oh,
Oh, I've been there for a while. Actually, this one. Wait, it's not to come to come on Wednesday, was it the? That's what the email said.
He's coming, yeah, he's getting hired tomorrow.
So is he gonna be doing the gym? Wait. The reason he's coming is because tomorrow calendar is a big calendar already.
I know, so what I wanna do is I want half my jail calendar, so just for the plea things, so that we can get all, cause I gotta go to the jail calendar, do all the pleas, please, by tomorrow.
Right, I'm not here. Between Wednesday and Saturday.
Right. And the plan is for him to.
Remain seated. Okay.